There's one young girl in my church. She came to me one time. She said she wants to buy a phone. I said, "We want to buy a phone. Why?" She said, "There's a particular phone she wants to buy." I said, "Why are you buying that phone?" She said, "Oh, that in our school, there's one guy that used to use that phone. And the guy used to use the phone to snap people picture. Then after snapping, we'll give the people the picture, they will pay 15 naira." I'm like, "What?" As soon as she said it, my head skipped. And I remember that I told one young guy that was working with me, I told him, I said, we went to the beach one day. When we went to the beach, that was like my first time to go to the beach. So I sat down on the beach and I saw a lot of people people are beautiful, people are happily naked in the beach. It's a normal thing. They will not be naked in the normal way. Or you walk into their room and see them dressed like that, they will shout, they will scream. But you're happily naked in the beach. I'm like, whoa, okay. You understand? This is not a movie like real time. Don't laugh at me if you are listening to this. Okay, you have gone to too many beaches, that's why you're not making money. I know they will come for me now. Okay, all right. How do I get back to this? So somebody help me. All right, okay. So yeah, so I was sitting down and I was viewing everybody, and I'm like, I started imagining, and I went with camera. I was telling him like, bro, I can make you a millionaire like this. And he was looking at me. I know what was running in his mind, like, you want to make me a millionaire? Are you a millionaire? Yes, that was a valid question. But the thing is, I was already on a journey. I'm working on something. So I cannot leave that thing now and start this new one. So you are young. So I can help you in this direction while I'm still working on my own. I've gone far in my own, So then I told him, I said, see, do you know that you just get a smartphone right now, have data, and make sure your WhatsApp is working. Snap all these people, very nice. When I mean very nice, get memory card reader. After snapping them, before they go, just copy all the pictures in your memory card, slot it into your phone. Anyone, you say, oh, which one is your picture? This one is my own. Send it to their WhatsApp instantly, soft copy. Don't print, don't be involved in printing. Just soft copy, 15 naira for 2 copies. 50. Oh, you snap the person 4 pictures. Make sure it's a digital camera. Nothing is, you are not buying anything. It's only that you should have battery. If the pictures are too much, you delete. There's nothing, it's not film. So snap one person, make sure you snap like 5 pictures. Tell them, oh, you have 5 pictures, 200 naira. They will kindly pay you. And make sure the pictures are nice. Just as Anna told him, I said, let's assume. All these people I'm seeing in this beach now, there are more than 1,000. It's obvious. But let's just do an assumption that it is only 100 people that patronized you. Only 100. Only 100. And each of them, you gave 5 pictures and you collected 200 naira. Please, this one I must do the math. I didn't come with my other phone. I must do the math. 200, okay, do it later and let's know what it is. 200 times 100 persons. 200 naira times 100 persons. That's what you get. That's a day, right? That's a day. The next day, how about that? The next day, how about that? Times 7 days. Whatever you get, 200 times. I'm talking now so fast, so my mind is not in calculations. So whatever you get in 200 times 100 people a day, times 7 days, because you keep going there, you have to walk. It's hard work. You have to walk. So you keep going there. So I told the girl, I said, I will gladly support you to buy this phone. I will gladly, since you want to do it for business. And I told her, I said, see. And I told that guy to do that beach own. And I also told him, I said, if you don't want to do the beach own, in fact, you can add another one to it. I said, you can do stadium, national stadium. People go there to play ball all the time, because when I go to the stadium to play ball, I go with my camera and he snaps me. When I'm running, doing my jogging, he snaps me. Remember, the idea is to be known. So you have to have pictures, you have to have videos. I'll talk about video later. So he snaps me and I said, look at all these people playing ball now. They would like their pictures. Why not go to stadium every day? I will give you camera. You go, just snap them. Do the same thing for them, 50 naira. So make sure you put a style. They must collect 5 pictures and it's 200 naira. If they don't have the money now, don't give them. Next, you are coming tomorrow, they should come with their money. People go to stadium to train every day. It is an everyday thing. If you have to even settle at the stadium, I'm just saying, let's assume you have to settle the stadium authority. Settle them now and be the number 1 camera person now. Think. It's easy. Stop looking at cryptocurrency. I do those stores, okay, so don't get me wrong. And one networking market, one thing that is not easy to find, that is not on the surface. What's wrong with you? Sit your ass down and walk and do the things that you can do, that you don't need anybody. You don't need anybody to deceive you, to bobo you. Bringing it back to church. I told this girl, I said, in church, snap people. You can take permission from the media team and tell them that you want to be professionally snap people. I know people still have issues with snapping with phone. Once they do not see a camera, they have issues. They don't know that even some phones are more powerful than cameras right now, in the hands of the right person. Because I mean, all my phones shoot in 4K. Okay, sorry, some of you don't know what 4K is. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I don't mean to say that. Oh boy, everybody are going crazy now. Okay. What I mean is that my phone shoots in a very, very high resolution. Okay, I just said 4K. I will not be able to explain 4K now, but there's a camera I wanted to buy today. I was checking the internet for I told my guys to send me a camera to buy. When I checked the internet, all the cameras they sent to me were shooting on 4K. And guess what? They're over $2,000. Are you going to buy a camera $2,000? My phone shoots 4K and my phone is just about 180,000 or so. Do you understand? So why would I, even if you want to get the fair use of some phones with 100K, 120K, you should get a good phone that shoots 4K. 4K is even too high. Let's say 2K. You shoot on 2K. Do you understand? So what am I saying? These things are just there. There are softwares, even if your phone doesn't shoot 2K, there are softwares that can help you. Easy software that you can buy $2. How much is $2? How much is $2? You just buy the software and you are good to go. $4, even if it's $10. You have to invest. Now I'm beginning to talk about money. Okay? So this is how it's done. Let's assume you do music. You're asking, how can I make money? 1,000 to 3,000 every day. You just don't want to make money. Because if you really want to make money, you make money. You can go to a church and play for a church and collect money. Now, leave the controversy, whether are you supposed to be paid in church or not. The day I will open that chapter, we will look at the scriptures together. I will know whether you're supposed to be paid or not. Okay? We'll look at the scriptures. I will open Bible verse by verse and show you. We'll dissect it and look at the context. Who was he talking to? In what dispensation? How does it apply? We'll look at it together. Okay? So you know that you'll be paid. So let's leave that. Let's say the church agrees that they pay salary. Go to a church and play for a church. If you are in a church that is not paying you and music is the only thing you do, you are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. You will be poor. If you like, say amen from now to tomorrow, you will be poor. So music is the only thing you do, in and outside and inside. And you spend most of your time in church, and yet you're not collecting salary, you are deceiving yourself. So you go to a church where they will pay you, so that you know that you are getting money. Okay? So that's one. Two, before you knew how to play that keyboard very well or that drums very well, you have learned so much. So you should be able to teach people what you have learned. So start advertising yourself as a teacher, a music teacher. I can teach you this in music, I can teach you that. Take your phone. Now I need to talk about video now, because at this point I can't stop not talking about video. I was wanting to keep it to a further period. Video is the most powerful thing right now. You don't have any excuse. For those of you that have seen me, I should be the one that have the most excuse. Number one, my diction is wonderful. Amen. Amen. My diction is wonderful. Number two, my set of teeth are Jesus Christ is Lord. Very perfect set of teeth. So I should be the one having excuses to say I can't be on front of camera, I'm shy. If you are shy, don't come here and ask any question. Just sit in your house and be poor. Don't want to tell me I'm shy, I can't make a video. The other day I told some people to make video, I'm so shy, and you don't want to see our face. I'm thinking like, that's why you are poor. You are poor. See Kardashians, they are making videos, they are making money just by being on TV. See, some people decided to put their shame aside. I don't encourage that. I don't like it. Okay? I feel it's not responsible. But some people consciously put their shame aside and decide to come on TV to do something called Big Brother Africa. Going naked in your front, getting a rose, whatever. I've never watched that thing. But my point is, okay, immediately after Big Brother in Nigeria, they become popular. And you're wondering, I'm not popular, how do I get visibility? Look at what people are doing to get visibility. I didn't say you should go and do that. I'm saying, look at the effort, look at the extreme they can go. How far can you go? How far can you go even in the legit thing that you're supposed to do? You sit at home and cross your leg, you are saying, How do you get visibility? You have phone, you want to watch Instagram morning to night. You don't put anything there. You keep going there to watch what people are putting. What was this question about, Seth? Okay, how can I make money? Yeah. Alright, so this is more than 10 minutes. So for those of you that are musicians, you need to begin to teach people. Let me just answer this more on the next question.